Good morning, class. Let us continue with the exercise today also. First exercise which we are going today is state whether the following words are common or proper noun. You have to say whether the following words are common or proper. First word which we are going to do is Denny. Denny is the name of particular person, so it will be the proper noun. Proper noun. Second word is cat. Is the name of particular? It is a common name, not the name of particular cat. So this will be the common noun. Third one is teacher. Teacher is also the common. He or she is not talking about the particular teacher. So it will be common noun. Fourth word is Professor Martin. It is the name of particular professor. So this will be the proper noun. Fifth one is mouse. The name is not written here, so that is common. So it is the common noun. Sixth one is Christmas. It is the name of particular festival. So this one is the proper noun. Seventh is laptop. It is not telling about the particular company or what. So this is the common noun. Eighth one is New York Times. It is the name of particular newspaper. So of New York. So this will be the proper noun. Ninth one is San Francisco Zoo. It is the name of particular zoo. So this will also be the proper noun. 10th one is, see the difference between 9th and 10th. Here it is telling the name of the particular zoo and this is saying only zoo. So this will be the common noun. Florida. It is the name of particular thing. So this will be the proper noun. 12th, angel. This is the common noun because angel is the name of the common girl. So this will be the common noun. Grammar book. This is telling the name of the particular book. Grammar. So this is book. Grammar book. So this will be the proper noun. Let us now move further. Now 14th one is wall. So it is not telling about the particular wall. So this will be common. Wall street. So this one is the proper noun. Because it is telling about the wall street, the name of the particular street. Let us now move to the second exercise, which is write the proper noun for each common noun. First one is car. Here we have the common nouns. Car is the common noun, movie is the common noun, drink, mountain, ocean, biscuit, mouse, state. These are all the common noun which we are having. You have to write the name of the particular things here. So car, like I am writing here Ferrari. You all can change the name and write Maruti, Santro or whatever you want. Movie, I am writing Three Idiots. You all can change the name. Drink, I am writing Coca-Cola. You all can write Pepsi, Sprite, Mirinda or whatever you want. Mountain, Mount Everest. Ocean. I am writing Indian Ocean. Biscuit. I am writing Oreo. Mouse. The name of any mouse. I am writing here Jerry. State. California. Now, you all have to revise the exercises which we have done today. Thank you.